Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. You are hale and hearty. You're enjoying the lockdown period. And I also hope that everybody is safe in this corona times, pandemic times. Please stay healthy, please stay safe because you are precious. You are precious to all of us. Okay children, this week again I'm going to take your SST class and welcome to my virtual classroom. And I hope you're enjoying this period and I hope you enjoy the video sessions as well. In the last video children, you studied about the major rivers of India. You studied about different types of rivers, snow-fed, rain-fed, then the rivers Indus, Brahmaputra, Krishna, Kaveri. You studied about all of these. Today I am going to take a map session with you all so that it is helpful for you that when we do the map in the classes, you can quickly just go back to the videos and see that how the teacher has marked the video or the map work. Please make sure that you are going to study this map work. So children, without wasting much time, let's begin with the marking of the rivers and some states on the map. So children, to mark this, to mark the rivers and to mark the states, you need a political map of India. Please make sure that you all have a political map with you. Just like this, which you are having a look at the screen. The same map you would be needing for the marking. So let's begin. Children, here you can see on the screen the political map of India. You also need to get one political map of India so that you're able to mark this when we are marking here. In your last video, you have studied about the major rivers of India. Like I said, major rivers of India. Here children, the rivers and the states which we are going to mark today here on this map, it is there on the screen. Please have a look. First, we are going to mark River Indus. Where does River Indus fall from, or where does it start from? After River Indus, we are going to mark River Brahmaputra. Then we are going to mark River Kaveri, River Krishna. Then the states, we mark Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, our very own state, Delhi, the national capital of our country, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. So children, let's start with River Indus. Now, ma'am must have told you that Indus River is, the source of Indus River is Mansarovar in the Himalayas. It is joined by 5 rivers, ma'am must have said it. It is joined by 5 rivers, Jhelum, Satluj, Chenab, Ravi and Bias. So, we are going to mark River Indus first. So, let's mark children. So, I am going to use here blue color for the River Indus. Now, River Indus starts from the neighboring country China. Then it moves from Jammu and Kashmir, then moves to another neighboring country, Pakistan, and then finally falls into the Arabian Sea. It falls down into the Arabian Sea where it gets mixed with it. So please mark here children, River Indus. Here you can see children, River Indus. And please make sure that when you are marking rivers, mark with different shades of blue so that you also remember that okay, this is a river and River Indus. Next we are going to mark children River Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra also has a source which is near Lake Mansarovar, which is in Tibet. It is found in Tibet and it is known as Sangpo there. Only a part of Brahmaputra river flows into India. It enters in India in Arunachal Pradesh. It enters from Arunachal Pradesh. Let's mark it children. Again I will take a different color, different shade of blue. Children, From Arunachal, it starts flowing from Arunachal Pradesh, meets Assam, comes to the neighboring country Bangladesh, and then joins the Bay of Bengal. This blue color is river Brahmaputra. Please mark it, children. River Brahmaputra. Next river we are going to mark is Kaveri. The next river we are going to mark is Kaveri River, and Kaveri River is a rain-fed river which is mostly found in Tamil Nadu, in the regions of Tamil Nadu. It flows through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and drains into the Bay of Bengal. So let's start marking Kaveri River, Kaveri. I have used another color for river Kaveri. It starts, like I said, from Karnataka, comes to Tamil Nadu, and then flows into the Bay of Bengal. River Kaveri, children. The next river we are going to mark is river Krishna, and Krishna is also a rain-fed river. It starts from the Western Ghats and flows through Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and drains into the Bay of Bengal. So let's mark river Krishna. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and drains into the Bay of Bengal. Alright, children, after we've marked the rivers, the 4 major rivers of our country, now we are going to mark the few states. First state we are going to mark is Maharashtra. So this is Maharashtra, children. I have used a yellow color and I'll be using a yellow color. Slightly just start highlighting the state. Make sure that you write the name of the state in bold letters inside the or outside, wherever you wish to, by marking the state. There you go, children. Maharashtra. Then next we are going to mark our very own state, Uttarakhand. I'll take a different color for this and I'll be using our very own state, Uttarakhand. Then after Uttarakhand, we'll be marking Delhi. Delhi, I'll take red color. This small dot here is your Delhi. Just next here is your Delhi. There must be a small block on the here on the border. That is your Delhi. For marking Delhi also, children, you feel that you are not able to mark it here, you can just slightly make an arrow and then you can write here Delhi. Next we are going to mark, children, Punjab. Punjab. After Punjab, we are going to mark Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu comes down here. And after Tamil Nadu, we are going to mark Madhya Pradesh. I'll take Madhya Pradesh as in for green color. Madhya Pradesh. So children, this is our map work. Make sure that you have understood these things. You can just polish up your skills after the class is done, and this is for your help. Please make sure that you study hard, practice the map. It will help you a lot. All right, we've studied on the projector about the marking of the map. Now we are going to study the marking of the map through this political map. This is a political map, and we are going to mark the 10 things here on this. So please follow. First, we are going to mark River Indus, and for River Indus, I'll take this blue color. Like on the screen also, when we marked, River Indus starts from the neighboring country, and then it goes to one of our states, and then follows into uh, another neighboring country, Pakistan, and then drains into the Arabian Sea. So this is the River Indus you are going to mark. Please make sure that you mark with a separate color, blue shades, so that it is easier for you also. So I'll be writing here River Indus. Next we are going to mark is River Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra starts from Arunachal Pradesh. I'll take a different shade of blue color. It starts from Arunachal Pradesh and then goes to Assam. After Assam, gets to the neighboring country Bangladesh and then drains into the Bay of Bengal. So this portion is the River Brahmaputra. Make sure that you write with bold letters River Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is the river Kaveri, which flows from Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and drains into West of Bengal or Bay of Bengal. Then Karnataka, then Tamil Nadu and drains into the Bay of Bengal. So for that also I'm going to write River Kaveri. River Kaveri. River Krishna starts from the Western Ghats, flows from Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and then again drains into the Bay of Bengal. Here it drains into, and then you can write here River Krishna. You can write River Krishna. Which we are going to mark is Maharashtra. I am going to highlight Maharashtra like this, children. Make sure that you also use light colors, not too much dark colors, because when you put dark colors, it is difficult for you to write on or inside the this border line. You can also darken it at the borders if you wish to. Here you can do it like this, and then make sure that you write the name inside Maharashtra like this. Maharashtra. Then we are going to mark our very own state, that is Uttarakhand. Here again, please make sure that you use very light color because you have to write also. And children, if you think that your handwriting is quite big and you are not able to write inside, then you can make a small arrow like this and you can write here Uttarakhand. Same we are going to do for Delhi also. If you want to mark Delhi is a very small state here in the map, but we know that it is a very huge state. So Delhi, again we can put an arrow like this and then you can write here Delhi. Then after Delhi we have to mark Punjab. We are going to mark, children, Punjab. We are going to mark Punjab, and I'll mark Punjab with green color. Here is Punjab, and inside this I am going to write Punjab. Again, if you think your handwriting is too big and it will not fit, so you can make a small arrow like this here and then you can write inside. After that we'll go to Madhya Pradesh. I'm marking it with an orange color. It depends on you which color you want to use. Madhya Pradesh, I hope you will be able to write inside. It's quite big enough on the map. So, and make sure that you color it very nicely and very neatly. It should look presentable. Okay, here. Madhya Pradesh. It should be very easy for you to mark when you mark it here. Last thing we are going to mark is Tamil Nadu, and this also with a very light color, and make sure that you write inside it. If you think your handwriting will fit in, very good. Tamil Nadu. So that's all, children. This is all for the map. I hope you have understood this map correctly, clearly. Brush up your skills, and all the best. Stay healthy, children. Stay blessed. See you next week with a different video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.